Hey Power BI enthusiasts! There's a new Power BI button slicer and it's truly amazing. Here's the old slicer. Functional, but a bit basic. And bam! Check out the new button slicer. Slick, interactive, and a totally game changer. Let's stop this talking and get into my laptop. Okay, so we are now in the Power BI desktop. So we go to the table. So what you can see, we have only few columns: the name, the position, then the achievement, and the picture link. We'll go to the dashboard. Now this is the old slicer. Now with the new slicer, okay, let's rearrange it. Then we'll drag on the name. As you can see, this is just the default setting. So we'll adjust the setting. We go to the shape, then slicer setting. We have the usual single select. Then this is a new feature of the slicer. You can have a rounded rectangle. You can adjust it in whichever pixel you want. Then we go to the layout. We would like to set the column into 1, and the rows will be the number of buttons that we have, which is 7. Now we go to the image where we can add the picture link. Then we'll image to normal, so it's on the top as a default. We can also adjust the transparency, but for this exercise we'll set it to 0. Then you can also choose to blur the picture. And that's for the default. So there's a lot of things that you can do on this new button slicer, but I'll just cover the basic. So I would like the picture to be on the right. Now we'll go to the button section. So as a default, so you have the selection of hover or selected, but as a default, I want the bird the feel to be in this color. And you can also select if you want the button to be in shadow or that will glow, and then this accent bar, then let's increase the width. So now it looks better. Now to change the setting, if you hover the selected button, I would like to change the color into this one. So as you can see, if I hover the buttons, it will change the color. And then if I selected a button, this is the color that I select. So okay, so let's use it to sum. So when I selected it, that's the setting that will be reflected. Hope you learned from this tutorial, and goodbye.